Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today we'll be making malpova. Malpova is a sweet dish originated in Indian subcontinent. So basically you will find this sweet dish in different states of India, then Nepal and Bangladesh. These are the ingredients for making malpova. 3/4 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of suji, 1 cup of lukewarm milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 spoon of soft powder, 1 spoon of kesher, 1 spoon of cardamom powder. We will add 3/4 cup of wheat flour in a container. We will add 1/4 cup of suji in the same container. Now we will add milk to it. We need to mix it properly. This is how we need to add milk gradually. Mix it till it gets smooth paste. Now we'll add soft powder to the mixture. Now mixture is ready. We'll put lid to this container and we'll keep this mixture aside for 20-25 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be making sugar syrup. So we have added 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, now we'll adding cardamom powder to this sugar syrup. Also add some saffron to the sugar syrup and mix this properly. Now sugar syrup is ready. Now we'll keep this mixture aside and meanwhile we'll keep this pan on gas and we have added some oil in the pan. Also you can add ghee in place of oil. Now you need to pour this mixture in hot piping oil. Let it fry till it gets golden layer. Now as you can see golden layer, you need to flip it out other side so that it gets fried other side as well. Yes, so you can see it's perfectly cooked, fried. Now we need to add this malpova in the sugar syrup. Let it soak sugar syrup. Let it soak for 3-4 minutes in sugar syrup. Malpova is ready. So Malpova is ready. We have garnished it with some dry fruits.